Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect a hosting or domain to a Namecheap hosting step by step. So step 1, log into your hosting or account and go to your domain section and select the domain that you want to connect. Step 2, click on DNS or name servers and then select use custom name servers. Step 3, log in to your Namecheap hosting account and go to your hosting dashboard and find your name server details. It is usually something like DNS1 namechipHosting.com. Step 4. Copy both the Namecheap servers and paste them into your hostinger's custom name servers field. Step 5. Save the changes and it may take a few hours for the DNS to fully propagate across the internet. Step 6. You can confirm the connection by visiting your domain after propagation or using tools like DNS Checker. And that's how you point your hosting or domain to Namecheap Hosting. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.